Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here, in a very dry mouth. This time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a most likely 70 Charger. This comes from my friends at ABS Golf Cars. I don't have their file in front of me. I forgot to bring that. I'm sorry about that. But they requested just a basic internal conversion to add FM and a heck of a lot more output power because we're going with a new harness in place of the original connectors. So let's go ahead and fire it up. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I get.
Or lease for as low as $4.59 a month. Finley GMC in Prescott. Great for you, great for me, and great for our community. Look for our huge American flag, where premium vehicles meet American heritage and value. We are your local Prescott Auto dealer with 5-star reviews and real American pride. All offers OAC less incentives by GM Financial through 11/3/25. Excludes government and dealer fees. Leases for 35 months. See dealer for complete details. Put your ear to the wall.
Okay. And now we also have a front-rear fader. It's in the tone control.
And nothing is the problem.
Your electrical and HVAC system almost never tells you when fader adjust.
Something.
Okay.
Or worse, something catches fire.
That's why you're an Allied.
Allied Electric Heating and Air.
With the Allied Allied plan, we're able to stay on top of the electrical and HVAC system each year.
To protect fader set.
Okay.
Your family.
Don't need this stuff anymore.
Learn more at callyourallied.com.
Now we're going to switch to FM, which we do by turning the unit off and right back on within half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We'll just run down the dial.
Particularly around commercial.
She explains that while English football...
Summer day ain't much
on my face the way.
and bring of Jehoshaphat.
Standard time.
Surrounds and new baseboards.
This is a part of this is a
Antioxidant activity.
When I'm beating your bitch, my Jesus making please come, but
Well, Andrew, Chuck
found that small reductor
to get a great
driveway right now.
Okay, so there we go.
Why's he call you
just
darling?
a bunch of FM stations. Try the 8-track. Alrighty, take the tape out radio comes back. So make sure the lamp works. Oh yeah, nice bright green glow there, you can see that. Okay, so she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to do some packing. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. For that way you got all the information on my website before you have to call me, and you can also call me directly at 928-533-9666. Thanks for watching, listening. Thanks to my friends at ABS Golf Cars for your business, and we'll see you next time.